Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to disable Grok from remembering your conversation history inside the X mobile app. If you value your privacy and want more control over your personal data, this step-by-step guide is just for you. Let's start together to make procedure. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Then tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on Settings and Support to expand the menu. Then select Settings and Privacy from the list. Under the Settings menu, tap on Privacy and Safety. Now scroll down until you find a section labeled Grok and Third-Party Collaborators. Finally, scroll down again until you see the option that says Allow Grok to remember your conversation history. Toggle this setting off. And that's it. You've now taken control of your chat privacy settings. For more helpful tech tutorials, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and check out our other guides. Thanks for watching.